Alright everybody, update here on the Groms. Got Colin's bike over here. He's got the same modifications I do, I believe. Except for, we have different exhausts, right? Yeah, different exhausts. We're putting handlebars on. He's got the KLX 110 bars. So he's throwing those on. And I've got the CRF 50 bars that I'm gonna put on. And I've never done a handlebar install in my life. I don't think he has either.
Never have.
Nope, never. So, yeah, we're gonna wing it here and figure it out. Okay, here's where we are so far. So I've got the brake off here, the brake handle, the mirror. I got this side off as well. It's just hanging down there. And obviously I'm not gonna cut this, but apparently we gotta cut this off. I'm gonna take the handlebars off and we're gonna slide it all off the bike here. I guess we're probably going to unscrew this just on this one side. Shafe's got different clutch and everything for me. They look just like these. Clutch and brake, so they look just like this. So those will probably go on later tonight or another day. Oh, zip ties are easy. Currently, we got all this stuff off on both bikes. We're at the same pace here. Cannot get this thing out. We used a drill, short screwdriver, with a ratchet, or not a ratchet, a vice grip attached to it. Literally cannot get this thing out. It's unbelievable. Same with his. This might be a little, oh fuck, that thing's torched. But I mean, as soon as we get this off, I think it's just gonna be smooth sailing. Like I said, we're gonna cut this off. You can see it slides on there, so I'm gonna chop this off, keep the throttle nice. All we got is our 4 Allen bolts next. All right, next update here. Just got to
Right there.
2-ton skin tone banana bone Google Chrome wheel behind. Anyway, took the sawzall out of this. We were just tired of messing around, so I took the sawzall off. Hopefully I don't need this on the next set of bars. Yeah, did it to his too, but I left him a little extra. I did not. Yeah, but they're turning out pretty good around here. So now we're gonna take these 4 Allen keys out of each one and slide the throttle out. All right, everybody. So the hardest thing that we have experienced here is, what is it?
Taking these fucking bolts off.
The Allen key.
Factory bolts, hardest thing to get off.
These 4 Allen bolts right here are the, holy cow, the most extreme thing to get off. Yeah.
Sawzall, baby.
Yeah, we hit them with the sawzall. These are the CRF 50 bars. These things are actually pretty nice. Should look good on the GoPro. I'm deciding where I want them right now set up, but I kind of like them. They're a little bit wider than the stock. They sit a little bit at the same height, maybe a little bit taller, like a ½ inch or something. But I really like the way that they look, the way they feel. I feel like I am sitting a little bit more straighter up, which is a lot nicer because my back's usually killing me riding this thing. Here we go with the Pro Tapers. Like I said, I've got the CRF 70F, the Pro Tapers. Colin's got the KLX 110s. They are more of like a low profile. He likes the wider feel, so he's not gonna cut the bar or anything. But these are like lower pro. These are more like, I don't know, they're like a little bit higher than stock. I have them set up where I feel like I'm sitting a little more straight up, but I kind of just think they changed the whole look of the bike almost. They just look real aggressive. They look a lot better than the stock ones. These look real good. Real low, like right above the gas tank. Mine's sitting up a little bit higher. Everybody, so we finished the bar install. Julio showed up. We installed the grips here. Pain in the ass, both of these things. I had to heat it up with a heat gun over here. Came out nice though. I'm really liking mine. No, his does. He's got the wide bars. It feels like you're riding a Harley. Yeah, they look good, dude. Came out well. Install, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. It was kind of a pain in the ass with the throttle and stuff like that.
It feels like a whole different bike.
Yeah.
Like, it feels good.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't hurt my
It was kind of hard to install this for me. You could tell it's kind of crooked, sort of. Same with this. So these are kind of a pain, but also mine are like 60.
Your dirt bike fucking hard usually hard. Well, these are dirt bike
I don't recall if I finished the video yesterday, but this is the finished product of what my bike looks like with the CRF 50F bars on it. Pretty nice. Everything seemed to be okay on it. I mean, these are a little bit tight, nothing too crazy, but you can see right here, this stuff's kind of not on the straight. It's kind of hard to put this on like normally, so I can't even use my phone mount really anymore. I don't even know that it will mount onto this corner. I could try it to my book bag, but I had to bring it in here and put the bars down a little bit, just lean them back a little bit. And thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting a lot more shorts and stuff like that, and more things that I do to this bike. I'd like to get a stretch kit for it. I know my buddy Colin, who's also obviously in this video, he's getting his stretch kit in. I think it comes in next week, so we're gonna probably be making a video. I don't know if we're gonna use his channel or my channel or both. That'd be cool. You know, installing a stretch kit, or maybe I'll order one and see if I can get it here and we could both put our stretchers on at the same time. I'd like to, I think I'm gonna miss doing wheelies and stuff like that, but at the same time, I think the stretch kit on this bike kind of would look a little wild, and I'm thinking like a 4-inch, or maybe just a 4-inch or a 6-inch. I guess I gotta get the chain too, so I know that's a whole kit, so I'll have to look at that tonight and see what's up. I'm gonna edit this video and post it up, hopefully get it posted up tonight for you guys. So thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys updated with more Grom stuff, so keep checking my YouTube shorts and check back to the channel. See you.